Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix HOT 11S. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Enter security and go to screen lock. Confirm with your current screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. Now let's select swipe. PIN. Password. And in the end, pattern. Now, let's try it out. And we can go to fingerprint. Select add fingerprint and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located right here on the side of the phone. Simply tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust fingerprint position. Let's try it. And now let's set up last unlock method, which is face unlock. Enroll face, and now simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.